Transgo version of Pinakbet. Oh, vegan and San Fernando.
Let's see. Voila! This is our Pinakbet.
I've got some friends visiting today and we're cooking together. This fresh harvest and sharing our own Pinakbet versions from our respective places. Please join us and let's learn from one another.
Rollingan?
Rollingan. A special dish today.
Pinakbet ng Ilocano.
Hanga Pinakbet Ilocano, this is special kasi we're fusing different traditions. Look, Mayra, come here. We're fusing, okay?
Banglon.
Hanggang sa makita, yeah. Look, the usual Ilocano would just put all the ingredients together. But this time we are elevating it. So, ano talaga Vilma? We're stir frying.
We're stir frying some pork meat.
Yes.
Some,
pork belly.
Some onions, some garlic, and tomatoes, and onion. So we stir fry them together. Banglo. Tapos,
yes.
Next is bagoong.
Yes. We'd like to stress that difference. We usually put the bagoong towards the end, but here in the stir fry, you will taste the difference really. The flavor, the anchovy flavor gets infused in the oil.
And in the ingredients.
Yes, later in the ingredients, but it's more smelly.
But tasty.
Well, and again, traditionally we'd just be using this. But look at the assortment. Never seen before. So you might call this bulanglang or pakbet. But so this is not the traditional basic Pinakbet.
Ito pa, dajay natangkon.
Okay, wait, I missed the camera. Okay. So we're adding first the ingredients which are on the hard side, which logically would take longer to cook. Some physics here.
Yeah.
And look, we're adding the ampalaya now, which is in season. This is my first or my second harvest, in fact.
We don't really need to stir them together.
Yeah. At the end we stir it.
Yeah. It's express yourself, Vilma. Vilma, by the way, is from San Fernando, La Union.
Hello, everyone.
She's also Ilocano, and we share this tradition of cooking this Pinakbet. But we're, as I've said earlier, we're adding or we're infusing different influences, including our Anda, Mayra in Anda. Among the Bulinaos, how would you cook Pinakbet?
So, basically the same, but yeah.
But your heritage is Ilocano.
Yes.
You're from Cabo.
Usually we just mix all the ingredients together and then put the
What's that? Fish sauce.
Fish sauce, bagoong, we call it bagoong.
Okay, face the camera.
Yeah, and then we don't cut the tomato. If this is size like this, we just put it whole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because
also, yeah, there's lots of aubergine. Some big, some small.
Okay.
If it's on a smaller size, we put it as a whole.
Okay.
And then afterwards, when it boils and nearly cooked, we just mix it through.
Or give it a shake.
Yeah.
Yeah, shake the pan, close it, and ready to serve.
Yeah.
And that's
How about let's listen to the vegan tradition. How do you do it in vegan?
Just the same.
Just the same.
Yes.
In fact, it's the vegan people
We can put this one on top.
who introduce.
Yeah. And this is the last one.
Okay.
The kalabasa.
Squash bloom.
Yeah. In fact, they were asking, do we have squash? That was the question.
And then we will cover it.
Yeah.
Simmer.
And let it simmer until all the vegetable softens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not overcook.
Really?
Yes, we don't want overcook.
So we can check it from time to time.
So this one,
What's that?
ginaggisaan.
Yeah. the really?
ng pork belly, yes.
The flavor is there.
Look, she watered down the oil that rendered from the pork belly,
This
and then
is
you're going to
very-
add it.
Yes.
That's the one we're gonna
This is
put.
very, tasty, yeah.
So you're going to add it?
Yes,
because the flavor
wait a
sticks on the
minute.
pan. So yeah, we keep on.
Okay. Open
This
it. and
will
then
be the
you can-
fluid that we could put inside.
Yes. This is basically vegetable
That's
stew.
Yeah, let it simmer.
And then we cover it and let it simmer on low fire.
Okay.
And wait until it's...
Look at the camera. So our fresh harvest from the garden. There's a saying,
What?
lots of
Too many.
too many chef would ruins
Spoil
the
the
dish.
food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here.
No, too many sheep will eat the food.
Yeah, but we've used all our traditions. This
Yeah.
is the Transgo version of Pinakbet.
Yeah.
And vegan and San Fernando. And of course, also fusing it from your respective traditions, wherever you are. Tell us, where are you watching now?
Put
And-
your comment
Okay.
down below.
And join us for lunch later.
Yes.
This will be our lunch for today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For more videos of cooking, please watch Romulo's Kitchen.
We
You're
are
gonna learn a
Okay,
lot.
this is.
Happy watching!
Happy watching!
Okay.
We can put the kalabasa now.
No? Really?
No, not yet.
Luto na ba?
Okay.
Pag kumulo na.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can put this on the last part of
Pag
the
kumulo
cooking.
na. Sige na.
Ah,
Please
and my
excuse
mic.
my shades. I was mowing
Okay, we need to check the...
the grass while they were cooking. Wait. We're not yet on. Sige.
Okay, it's time to check our dish. And then it's time to shake it like this.
Careful, you're spilling.
We could also do with the lid.
Yes.
Yeah, like
Safety
that.
first. Look, the other ladies are watching.
So it's kind of...
Yeah, it's
mixed.
almost, yeah. And we add the...
So we add the squash blossom and just leave it on top like that. Spread it.
Yeah.
And then we cover it again and we wait for a few minutes and it's done.
Done.
Yeah. Like that.
Put on low heat now.
For the meantime, I'll resume mowing the grass.
See you later.
Here's the finished product. Let's see. Voila! This is our Pinakbet version. Ilocano and Pangasinan version. It's Pinakbet.
And that one.
I don't really know how to say this in English, but it's Pinakbet.
Yeah, it's vegetable stew.
Yes. So guys, let's have some lunch.
Myra, look here.
Hi.
This.